Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting math problem section, this time focusing on algebra and equations, perfect for beginners. Today's challenge is, suppose x to the power 4 plus 2x power 3 plus 4x squared plus 8x plus 16 equals 0. Your task is to find the value of x to the power of 10. Before we uncover the solution, I encourage you to hit the pause button, grab a pen and paper and give it your best shot. When you're ready, feel free to share answers in the comment. Then we'll explore the solution together. Let's get started. A few months ago, I made a similar video but without further explanation. This time, I'll walk you through it. Starting with the given equation, x to the power 4 plus 2x power 3 plus 4x squared plus 8x plus 16 equals 0. We multiply each term by x to get x power 5 plus 2x power 4 plus 4x power 3 plus 8x squared plus 16x equals 0. Next, we divide each term by 2. Here we observe some common term in these two equations, which we refer as equation 1 and equation 2. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we find that half x power 5 minus 16 equals 0. This implies half x power 5 equals 16 and consequently x power 5 equals 32. To find x power 10, we simply square both sides, leading to x power 10 equals 32 squared, which equals 1024. Note that some might argue that x power 5 equals 32 implies x equals 2. However, this is incorrect as the original equation has no real solution as observed from its graph. So the answer for this question is 1024. While we have successfully solved this problem, practice always makes perfect. Using a similar method, I am confident you can tackle the following question. Try it out and share your solutions in the comments. That concludes today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the video and are excited for more math challenge in the future. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.